Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are seeing a festive collection of fancy traditional heavy Paithani silk sarees. In this collection, rich work is running all over the body except its first beginning foldings. As you are seeing, that's a rich pallu attached with tassels along with beautiful Paithani borders, and that's the body, a rich body with beautiful meenakari work, and that's the contrast plain blouse with zari woven borders. And now you are seeing as a beautiful peach shade, different patterns of meenakari work in the border, pallu and the whole body part is the highlight of this collection. And this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 1449 rupees along with a free shipping all over India. Please note our payment mode is through online only and also avoid making direct calls. And now we are seeing the available color shades in this collection. For making orders, take a screenshot and share to the given WhatsApp number. You can also make your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Hope you guys like this beautiful collection. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.